Good morning, this is Barbara Campbell. I'm here today to discuss the Tiger security logo, one that represents the US and the other which represents India. So a couple visual communication elements that I want to go over are size and the color. So of course, when it comes to the size of any logo, it should be recognizable if displayed in a small or large font. It should be a quick visual tool. The color, of course, the blue on the US side, it's trust, superiority, and strength. Where the Indian logo, that navy blue represents trust and loyalty, and the orange is the most sacred color in India, and that represents courage and strength. So some symbolism of these logos. The United States, of course, that color blue represents safety and security. The shield represents protection or safety. It's something that law enforcement officers would wear for protection. The padlock is in the keyhole represents something that's locked or protected, and it's industry relevant. So there's really no explanation. It's kind of like a Google web browser or cell phone. It represents that padlock that if something's protected or locked. On the India side, the circle represents the Dhamma chakra, which is the wheel of law. So it's like on the Indian flag. It's important for the justice in life. The navy blue represents justice, and that Bengal tiger is the national animal, which represents power, grace, and strength. So other iconic meanings, the shape of the shield, again, it's like that officer's badge. It conveys an emotion of feeling safe. The padlock conveys an emotion of security. It is locked, protected against theft or unauthorized use. The color, of course, can represent some calmness as well. The India side, the circle represents the wheel of law, which conveys security, since that's what it represents, justice of law. The color blue conveys that calmness as well, and the Bengal tiger conveys safety, that whatever that tiger is looking upon, it's protected by its incredible strength. So some similarities. Both countries, the icons are, of course, blue, which represent trust. Although the padlock and the key isn't on the Indian icon, it is an industry relevant image that represents something locked or secure, again, like those websites or a cell phone. Some differences: the viewer from the US might not understand why the tiger is used on a security system. A US viewer may not understand why a circle is used versus a shield. And orange, although it's a sacred color in India, it represents fall in the US. So those are some visual elements that are important. And just remember that, in any type of campaign, advertising, logos, you do have to be, you have to think about culture. So because what is accepted in one country may not be accepted in someone else's country, and you wouldn't want to unwillfully disrespect. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.